Hi, welcome back. Haurum here. Today we will be doing a reaction to Genshin version Luna 2. Yes, Luna 2. I almost say version 6.2, but it's actually Luna 2. Before that, uh, I'm sorry for this second screen here. Let me change the basically while waiting I will try to do multitask here. Ignore this. I mean, if you doesn't know, this epic happen, but that's another thing. Anyway, um, it's 60 minutes left before the stream. Let's talk about Luna 1 first. Oh, never mind. Before that, let's talk about this um, promotional picture for Luna 2. This is this is okay. So this is exciting, right? We see Durin, we see Varka. Finally, Varka. The last thing we saw was not really the last thing, but the last uh, continue, not continue. The last thing we saw Rerir was when Varka somehow gonna talk to him, and then beside Varka, there's someone here that curious in my opinion, which is Arlecchino. Okay, so this is interesting. Um, Obviously, we have Rerir here and our banner character, Nefer. But before that, I saw Columbina here. Anyway, speaking of Arlecchino, I talk about this promotional picture first because there is a change. Genshin usually change the cover of the promotional picture. Oh, it's already did. Well, it's Nefer now. But you guys still remember, right? The picture? So, Arlecchino. This is... okay, so remember what I said about the Three Moon Sister? Maybe, this is just my speculation by the way. Maybe there's a chance that the Scarlet Moon have something to do with Arlecchino. Like I said before during the talk with Columbina, and also to another extent, um, Raiden Shogun, yes, Raiden Shogun, or to be specifically, it's A. Raiden A has something to do with the Eternal Moon, which makes sense because the Makoto, Raiden Makoto, in the past revived A again. There is a chance that the fragment of the Eternal Moon was used to revive A. Maybe this is just speculation. I don't know if it's gonna be true or not. Maybe I will see Raiden Shogun in Nordcry for some reason. Maybe not this patch, but 100% sure that uh, not only 100%, 100% theory. Yes, theory. There's a chance that what Arlecchino, and because of her ult is basically red, and in every single cutscene and other lore, the Perrin Harry book is talking about this uh, crescent, not crescent, Scarlet Moon. Oops, what is that? Never mind, ignore that. That's on the game. But anyway, yes, what I'm going to say is Arlecchino being present here would be interesting, and maybe this is have nothing to do with this Three Moon Goddess at all. Maybe this is just you know the Fatui. Suddenly, one by one, they gather in Nordcry in each patch, which means we will see more and more of the member, except maybe uh, the major. I don't remember his name. The major, the rooster. I guess the title was his, since he is the major of Snezhnaya, or the city in Snezhnaya. I don't know what is the name of the capital. I mean, anyway. But yeah, I don't think he will be here. But the rest, there is a chance that the other Fatu member will appear one by one. And Rerir, yes, Rerir. The fact is he show up in the promotional picture mean he will be appear more. Maybe we also will we have more appearance on other sinner, but I guess not really, because out of all the sinner, Rerir is the closest one to the whole moon thing lore, because of the Moon Hunter title. If I remember, his title was Russell of Solari, which have something to do with moon. Moon Hunter, I believe. Did I say that before? Yes. Rerir will be important, and I think we'll have a new map to the north. I believe it was to the north, because when I explore Noldkerai during in the Fatui area, or not the Fatui, the Lightkeeper area, in fact, I saw something that already been looked like a new map. It's just not possible to go there yet. Unlike some area where we know that when they have not really have a change, and when they don't really have time to change the environment, it was always look like a mountain, like a hill kind of mountain. But that area in the north of the current area in Noldkerai, it look like a thing. That's what I'm saying. Probably new map on the area. But yeah, I'm excited to see Windstor and Luna too, especially Durin. So speaking of Durin, which mean did Alice will be here? Both Alice and Wanderer? That's actually a big question. If Wanderer here, that's mean Dottore also already here. Just like the last patch, there will be a surprise cameo, I guess, for the future patch. But I don't know who is. I think it will be Alice. 50% it will be Alice, and the other 50% is Wanderer, or maybe both of them. I don't think Nicole will be here yet, or maybe she is. Let's just we will see the Vivi before thinking about that. And okay, that's enough for let me change this first while waiting. Auto battle, wait a minute. Okay. Yep. Anyway, enough of the last promotional picture. Now we'll see here. I know you probably guess. I don't know if the sound is really loud here, but I will adjust the sound in the end recording later, unless I can edit the sound. Oh, I can. Okay, let's just lower the sound. It's too loud. Anyway, as you can see, this hand I'm on mobile, so the picture is kinda blurry, but because I guess the default was 360p, but you can see here the new character, Nefer, with the cat. If I remember, his name was Ash or something. But yeah, I don't really sure. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna pur but that's not really the case here. I don't know what. Okay, first of all, I stream in JP first, unless they talk. As the developer doing the talking, we will switch to English. But for the time being, we will be in JP, which means some of the word here probably not understand. But like, wait a minute, I'm gonna check something on the window. Okay, I'm back. Anyway, we know now that her vision is probably, obviously, this is Dendro. I mean, we already know from the image they saw on Twitter and such. But yeah, I have no idea what the title is since it's in Japanese. But anyway, let's see how it's look like in English later after the whole React live stream. At the end, we will go back there just to check what's going on. But yeah, okay, that's enough for the the whole character. Let's talk about Luna 1. So if you guys doesn't really remember, or you guys didn't really watch my playthrough and just gonna check the reaction, I read the Luna 1 patch, I think 8.5 or 8 or 8, I don't remember, around that one. So after the main story, I did a lot more. Obviously, I did the weekly thing with Colombina. I will upload that video after I finish the six part of 6 weeks basically. Since I think the total was probably around 18 weeks. So the first part will be uploaded later after I finish it. And yeah, besides that, I haven't really do much. Actually, I haven't did any exploration, so any world quest I will probably gonna miss that. Which means if there are reference to the world quest in the next patch for Luna 2, there's probably high change. I have no idea about that. I don't know if the story gonna change depending on whatever you did in Luna 1, like what happened with Naplan previously, but we'll see. And also, I haven't done the 3 character quests or character story, I don't know what you call this now. The one with Aino and Flint and also Loma, the one in the map, the blue thing, the blue, not dot, the blue circle. I haven't done that. There's still time though. Maybe I will done that before Luna 2 patch up. But if not, well, I hope the it's not really part of the main story, like the information we got there. But if it is, then well, you're gonna experience something different, I guess. Since if that's the case, then some people will do the death first or later, which affect different whole main story. But we will see. Anyway, besides that, what information did I learn? Actually, not really. I will explain thing about the meeting with Colombina in the Colombina video, so not here. Watch out for looking out for that later video. But yeah, what else? There's still too much time here. 4 minutes left before the actual stream, and probably another in-game, not in-game, in-stream timer after this timer out. So maybe we should cut the video, but we'll see. I'm currently doing this so that you guys can check, not can check. So I mean, I'm doing this because I'm being behind with the story on FX7. I'm just pushing through the story here. Skip as usual. Since there's no voice, so I just skip the story, and I will watch that later when I have time. But yeah, 3 minutes left. What should we talk about? Yeah, after what happened last month, I think Genshin was the first video I upload as a commentary playthrough, and so far I upload more video now on the other game that I played. And maybe when my PC was repaired, finally I will try to upload an offline game as well. And probably the first thing I will play was the whole trial series, but that's video for another day. Anyway, I don't really have anything to talk about besides waiting for the timer here. Maybe just looking at this Epic 7 auto battle. And yes, the Epic 7 has currently currently doing a collab with Freren. So yeah, we'll see this whole collab thing. Maybe we should skip the video. We'll skip the video. Maybe we should go move the timeline. We'll see if I will cut this video in the video finish section. Not finish section. What am I saying? I don't know if I will cut this part part of the video, just waiting, just skipping to drag before the stream start, but we will see. If not, then you're gonna hear my voice. If yes, then you're not gonna hear what I'm saying right now. Yep, 1 minute left. Let's see what else did I hope gonna happen. Oh, remember in Luna 1 when we dispersed the attack from the cannon in a shutdown, there was some shield that protecting Loma area, the Frostmourne Scion. Who is that? On what is that? My theory is for that probably because of what happened with what happened in the trailer, in the VV of Nordcry. Remember, the only character that shown up around Frostmourne Scion beside Loma was Nicole. So I have theory. First, it's Nicole, the one who protect him, the Frostmourne Scion. If not, then I don't know, some moon fragment protecting them. Like there's actually Kuva give power, but that's, I know the color kinda look like Nicole. I mean, if Nicole is actually, like the same race as the moon people, like the silly people, angel, I guess you call them, then it's probably her. Maybe. If not, then I don't know actually. No, my only guess was for Nicole. We will see if we will see Nicole in Dispatch Luna 2 or not. Okay, the timer is off. I'm gonna put down this after the loading, the second timer show up. It's live now, but there's no timer yet. The quality of picture I should skip to, change to, oops. What's the Radiation Moon? What? Another chest. Oh, rare it again. Whoa. Okay, yes. He aiming for Sojo, or Columbina, understandable. Varka. Varka. Oh. Why he using Wolf Gravestone? Okay. Okay, let's see how Nefer combat look like. This is very Sumeru soundtrack, interesting. She is from Sumeru. Okay. That's Sumeru tech. Very Sumeru tech. Setos, okay. Laila. Yeah, Laila. What is this? Laila. Yes, I've been saying Laila is important because of Flins, but maybe not. But we'll see what this is. Or maybe this is the story. Nefer story. I guess this is Nefer story, or I think this is Nefer story. Who is that? Why does it look like Whelp? Wait a minute. They are Loma and... What is this? Ooh, I actually went to... Ooh, new boss, okay. Pegasus. Ooh, Arlecchino. Ooh, yes. What? There are more people here. Okay, this is the whole. Are we talking? Are we have something? Does this red king? This red have some information book? Ooh, Durin. What? You are such a. There's okay. There's so many things happening. What's happening? What's that? Okay, that Columbina. Oh, rare. Someone gonna help? Okay. Ooh, okay. That was okay. There's so many things happening. Konbanwa. Okay, so since it's no developer tag, we stick to this live stream for the time being. Yoroshiku. Is Nilo gonna rerun? I mean, wait, does Nilo already rerun? I don't remember. Okay, Dory. Okay. There's so many information there. But I guess King Distress have something to do at, or maybe because we saw the thing, the mural. The mural in Sumeru, that thing have something to do with King Distress, right? I don't remember what they called, but I think what was them again? I mean, like Habanubis and even Apep, part of the group. I don't remember what they called. But this is interesting. Okay. And Layla, what Layla? Is Layla turn out to be similar to Flames, the Fae people? Which I have been thinking about that. I mean, not I think I talked about that during the playthrough in Luna 1. But we will see. Okay, they're talking about something I have no idea what they're talking about, but let's just hear. Okay. There's so many things I wanna talk about, and there's Vivi. We saw Albedo and Durin as well, but I didn't see Wanderer and Arlecchino. What Arlecchino doing there? It's interesting. We also saw the Sumeru crew as well. We saw I think we saw Setos, and we also saw who else? I need to check again. I think Sino also there. Yep. What is this? Yes. Yep, Rerir, this is interesting. I mean, like I said in before the live stream start, Rerir is the Moon Hunter, so makes sense that if she is after Columbina. But let's see. I mean, we saw him in Fatui Fortress. I don't know what he doing there, but we will see. Yep, new character, Nefer. What is that? You know? Okay. Yeah, turn into character. Okay, Dory. Okay. Sure.
パッと見の量と今浴びさせていただいたドリー節が私をこう生き返らせてくれました。皆さんにも元気が届いているのではないでしょうか。本当に合ってるのか間違ってるのか自分でも 今日はね、私たちも
I
たくさん
think
の情報を
we'll
お届けしていくの
maybe
で、
we'll
のんびりまったり楽しくやっていきましょう。お願いします。ルナワンでは旅人もパイモンもネフェルにいろいろ助けられています。
should we change the quality?
月髄の奪回作戦や月の狩人の
Let's see if it's loading. I will back to 720p. Connection issue as usual. If it's become problem, if not, then we continue with 1080p.
かっこいいですよね。ネフェルはよく物語の話をしています。物語を手に入れるために
Is the whole thing with Layla Nefer story quest or main story? Now I don't understand because we saw Loma and what her name again? Yehoda in there as well. Which mean yes, Yehoda is there. I don't know if that part of the Vivi Nefer character quest or part of the main story. Maybe it's similar to Aino, Flints, and Lauma thing, which I haven't done, so I don't know. We'll see. Wait, Yelan? I know Yelan gonna meet Yelan in Nordgrei, but maybe we saw her now. I mean, in Luau 2, I guess. Ooh, Mondo? I mean, we can assume it's Farka, right?
スメール人のネフェルはきっとスメールにも協力してくれるパートナーがいるはずですね。エルマイト旅団も教令員も重要な情報源として握っていると思います。いや、そういえばネフェルはどうして情報屋の商売をこんなに大きくしたんでしょうかね。はい、ナシャタウンの街の中ではネフェルはちょっと工夫するだけで
Oh, interesting information.
秘密を読み解くことができるんです。そこで集めた情報を冒険者協会に持ち込んで取引をすれば、ちょっとした面白いエピソードも解放されるみたいですよ。
Wait, should we? Is this part of Nev? I mean, if I don't have Never, what happened? Okay, I can't read that. We just see this letter in game, not in the English live stream. But yeah, what is this? Okay, character introduction. Nana Mizuki. Interesting. What her weapon is that? Oh, okay, I can see. That's as usual, the only weapon that has unique playstyle, which is Catalyst. Is it a chess? Chessboard? Like a chessboard. 言うこと聞かないとこれで蹴られる。 So far, I haven't planned to pull any new character beside Columbina. Maybe if Columbina work with someone else and rerun all of this character, we're gonna pull for them. Whoever work well with Columbina. For now, I'm skipping every single one until we know Columbina, what Columbina did. Columbina is playable, right? Surely he is. I mean, she is. Oh, what's that? Kage Bunshin no Jutsu? Is it Kage Bunshin? This is Bloom team. Another Bloom team? So many Bloom character. What about Hyper Bloom? I mean, it's kinda similar to Luma, I guess. Because that symbol on the screen probably Lunar Bloom. Oh, see, I will change. I just stick to 720p. Better than.
ネベルも戦場でうまくリソースを活用して自身を強化してるんですね。
元素爆発では前方の敵に草元素範囲ダメージを与えます。さらに消費した蓄積した巨元の核の総数に基づいて元素爆発のダメージが上がりますよ。
そこに加えてさっきのうつろな影もありますからダメバフかかりまくりですね。なんかダメバフわかんないんだけど、
A hard buff. Damage buff.
ダメージバフの略だそうですよ。
犬の話じゃないですね。
ダメバフおいでかわいいかワンちゃんかわいいですね。でもダメージとバフですから、はい、ちょっとかわいい名前ではないかもしれません。
ありました。はい。
気分の館のオーナーとして各地を飛び回る。
Oh, there's something different there. What is this triangle?
などくらいで20時間かかる
Okay. This is, I mean, basically a the commission thing. I don't. Sure.
では続きましてルナ2のイベント祈願情報
Okay,
です。
event. Oh, the banner first. Oh, Furina. I mean, I already have her C2. That's good enough. Oh, triangle. Interesting. Is that how this look like the tree? The cat also in there. What's rerun? I need Escoffier. Oh, what is this? Okay. We'll skip, I guess. I really have Alkino and Zhongli as well. I'm waiting for Escoffier rerun. Never Ashru. Yes, that's the cat name. Ashru. 10, 20, 20. Okay, October. Yep, that's the update in October. But never have triangle pupil. Interesting. I just realized that I don't really focusing on her eyes before. It seems Never also has that moon wheeler instead of vision. From the look of it. Let's see, it's event now. I think the stream not that long, I believe, because one character and just event and maybe optimization at the end. I will just check all the skill information in game as usual. I don't really focus on character that haven't released yet. Yes, this is okay. There are two part 3 and part 4. Interesting. Modo character Varga. Yes, this is something I never think about. Ho ho ho. Escanor. Why is he wear Evolved Gravestone? I don't think that's the weapon in his banner letter. On his banner. He have really thick eyebrow. Okay, yes. What's Alakino have anything to do with this whole thing? Oh, is this Project Stusia? Yes. So why in Nordcry? Oh, they thought with Columbine also here. What's going on here? Yes. Kairai. The Maria. Is she playable as well? I kinda want her to be playable as well. What is this? Are we playing as what? Okay. The Wild Hunt, which is very rare minion. Now we know it's a this candle thing. Okay, Dory really part of the story. Interesting. Will we show Alice here as a secret cameo?
ナドくらいの新しい月神である少女は今後どういう行動をとるんでしょうか。今回旅人さんと少女はこのような不思議な空間に足を踏み入れることになるそうですが。
Ooh, yeah, what is this? Is this Erudition Moon? Is this something to do with Arlecchino? What? What are you gonna tell me? Okay. I mean, if you look at the picture, it's like if the ball was consumed by abyss or something. You'll see what is that. It's gonna remind me of something in Fontaine. Those circle with wind thing before. The one with passive word quest. Maybe, I mean, I don't think I have anything to do with her, but the image looks similar, like a dripping spear thingy. I remember correctly the one in Fontaine. The one with wind thing, I don't remember what it's called. Wait, okay. Will we fight Rare? Is this new weekly boss or just... Wait a minute, I saw the moon there, and the other side also another moon. Okay, change location. Ooh, look at that. Maybe different face. Is it a new boss? Is Rare finally over this patch? Or okay, the Pegasus. This kind of similar to the one in Fontaine as well. Instead of Electro, this one, I don't know what element is this. What is that? I think I saw this before. Yep, I saw this. The one with in the Columbina. I haven't seen that. What is that? Is this spoiling me? I only did 4 weeks. I haven't. I skipped 1 week because I don't know if it is actually weekly at first. But it's not to be weekly, so I miss a week. But yeah, never mind. Is this spoiler? That's not look like. That's the pain one. I remember the Kuhenki, the top pain. Yes, it's the same thing. Oh, the second one. This part 2, interesting. Mimir Shoten. What is this? I haven't done a single word quest in Nordcry, so I don't know anything. What is this? Book? New book? No. What? What is that? Mora? Okay, never mind. It's a bug of Mora. A lottery or something? What's it? Let's think to vertical again.
今回旅人さんたちは自らの観察力やネフェルを頼りにこの投資プロジェクトの真相を暴いていくことになります。他にもルナ2では
I haven't done a single one of this. Will it affect my playthrough and second in Luna 2? Hopefully not.
たくさんご紹介しましたがバージョン情報はまだまだありますのでこの後もお楽しみに。
Yes, yes, mada. There's more. Obviously, there's event still yet to go. Okay, so The Layla one was event. Interesting. Is this event?
もちろんあなた
Layla, are you important now?
では行きましょう、これからルナ2のイベント情報を
お
ご紹
イベント
介します。
Okay, this event.
今回はニーローとドリーの故郷であるスメールに戻ることになります。
Sumeru.
はい、サングマハベ様の縄張りですね、縄張りって言われてるんですね今回はスメールの仲間たちと一緒に砂漠の遺跡で起きたとある怪奇事件を解決していくことに
Okay,
な
an
ります。
incident in the
この
desert.
事件はレイラの話から始まります。レ
Mhm.
イラは星を見に砂漠に行った際に
Are you sleepwalking in the desert
うっ
or
かり
something?
巻き込まれて遺跡に落ちてしまったようです。
Okay.
そこで何らかの
So
精
it's
神
not
的
main
なダメージ
quest.
を受けたようで、調べているうちにレイ
Should
ラ
I
が同じ場所に
make a commentary playthrough for this kind of event? I mean, this is limited technically, but sometimes event have nothing to do with story, but it's just extra information. But we'll see later. I didn't do any recording for the event
でも一体
last
何
time.
が起きた
I
のか
mean,
調べないとです。
I think the only event with voice was
久しぶりですよね。
I
そうな
know
んですよ。
one
各学派に
where
参加した仲間たちが
her
それぞれ
creation
知
was
識を
missing,
それから
the one
ゼノスも
that
来てくれ
make
ます。そして
cake or
教練
something.
員は近
I don't
頃
think that's have
野外
anything to do
経
with
験があまりない学生や
main story
記者た
beside
ちが
knowing
危
more
険
about
な目に
Aino.
遭わないよう野外での
But this
サバイバル
time,
や救助スキルを
maybe this is
学ぶた
important.
め新しい組織を立ち上げたようです。はい、なんと
I see that's the master of
顧問を務めている
Tinari. I don't remember his name.
そうなんです。活躍してるっていうのはなんか嬉しいですね。
ですよね。
Wait, Amber. Okay, okay. Maybe I should. I think. I think. I should. This is okay. Okay.
そうなん
Maybe
です。
I should
アンバーは
make a commentary
お休み
playthrough
だ
for
ったよう
this
で
event.
これ
This
ら
is.
の力になれないか
This
と
is.
わ
They
ざわざ
finally
スメー
meet.
ルまでやってきてくれた
I
そう
mean,
です。
technically we
そうなん
meet
です
with Amber.
二人は
Did we meet with Amber before with Cole
ウサギ伯爵を参考に
during that Cole visit? I think we did, right? Amber.
赤首ウサギ伯爵という
Wait,
偵察パートナー
Actually, I have not remember. Did we meet Amber
盗
and
撮パートナー偵察法
when
は
Cole was
この
visiting
二つの
Mondstadt
装置を使
before?
って
I
様々
kind
な
of
事件
forget.
が素早く進むことで
I remember
高ポイントを
she
集
met
めるミニゲームです。
Sucrose,
ですよね。
but I don't know if it's.
できますよ。
But I think she does meet Amber and Eula as well. I remember, if I remember correctly.
サバイバルスキルを身につけられるといいですよね。
ですね。それから
Okay, they call Amber.
スムーズなフィー
Okay,
ルドワー
what?
クのためにファルザン先
Horujan
輩が
also making
手伝いに来て
something.
くれます。
ファルザン先輩が来るということは
Okay, should I
が
make
出てくる
a recording for this? But see, the Farujan also had the same eyes as
なんですか
Nefer. Now that I think about it, like I haven't talked much about
与えていただきましたギミック
Nefer eyes, but
仕掛け
I guess
とか
Strangle
みたいな
similar to Farujan now.
はい、ということでこの謎解きギミック攻略法プロジェクトではさまざまな元素の特殊効果を活用して、ファルザ
Uh-huh.
ン先輩の姿をした謎解きバディがゴールに到達できるようギミックを使って手
I
伝っ
mean,
てあ
I
げま
will
しょう。
make a recording on the story part. I guess I don't. I wasn't sure about
耐えられますよ。
the gameplay
そして最後
part.
は魔物を倒すセーフティー迎撃
Unless
訓練
it's
プロジェ
voice,
クトです。
this is really so many parts.
旅人さんはあらかじめ
We'll see later, I guess.
2ラウンドの戦闘を行うことで
The usual combat event.
収集を手伝うことができます。先見部隊のフェーズで達成した挑戦目標が多ければ多いほど次の迎撃部隊でより強力な強化効果を発動でき高ポイントを目指せます。
へえ、強烈
Oh, another free collie.
大盤振る舞いしているみたいですね。
嬉しい。
いや、大盤振る舞いってなんかいい。
Well, my collie is already
ですよね。
Chisik. Obviously, it's been 3 years, I guess, since we met her in Sumeru.
これをチームに招待できるみたいですよ。
はい。
さらに、ナタで新たな部
Okay, we go to Natlan.
スメールの仲間たちがいます。
We're moving to different region for the event. Okay.
情熱あふれるナタの
This
皆さんと一緒に
Rizemoto.
行います。
楽しそう。
ネームダンスですね。スイー
ダンスダンスダン
What
スです。
rhythm?
ステージの近くでは見慣れた姿も見れるそうです。
Wait, I
こ
saw
のイベントでは
Col.
マルチプレイで
Yeah, not
リー
not
ド
Collie.
ダンサーの動きに合わせてダンスを楽しむことがで
Okay,
きま
what
す。
is this?
フィーバータイムの間に指定操作を
Yep,
完了
it's
する
kinda
と
rhythm
追
game, I
加
guess.
のポイントを
But
獲得できますよ。
one button
うんこちらの
or
イベントでは
not?
ナタで一緒に冒 冒険した大切な仲間、竜のみんなにダンスをしてもらうことができる
Okay,
んで
I
す。
see. This is
イ
co-op
ベント
event.
サウリアンギミックではさまざまな竜の仲間たちと協力してゴールを目指します。竜の仲間は自身の能力を利用してさまざまな危険な場所を乗り越えてくれるので、旅人の皆さんはギミックをうまく利用して道を切り開いていきましょう。
This one seemed to be a solo event. The other one was the one the co-op.
チビとたくさん旅してきた旅人さんなら、
はい、
きっと乗り越えてくれるんじゃないでしょうか。
はい、試練というより可愛い竜の仲間たちとの楽しい冒険って感じですかね。
私も行きたい。
いいでしょ、竜とダンスしたいし冒険にも出たい。
そういうさ、なんかツアーないかな。なんかイルカのツアーとかあるやん。
いいですね。
竜とのツアーあったらいいよね。
なった竜ツアー絶対儲かると思いますよ。ぜひモラドリーさんプランニングしてみてください。そして皆さんはぜひ楽しんでください。それから宝材の本流イベントが開催されます。添付育成素材と武器特化素材が必要な旅人さんはぜひお見逃しなく。七星召喚ではキャラクターとアクションカードが追加されるほか、新たなスキルシステムも実装されます。また中京の研鑽熱湯モードも開催されます。はい、では少し休憩しましょう。
There another event or that's one big event? The Nilo and the Alayla event is big. I think if that's the case. Okay, oh, this is the new mod, the Myriad Wonderland. I personally have no idea what that was. I mean, I don't know. A game within a game, different kind of game. I mean, sure, there are people who like that, probably kind of like a Roblox thing. But for me, I don't have time for that. I don't really have time to play for the long period of time. Look at this. It's this image, the moon, as if it was not grabbed by the abyss. There's something pouring in from the bottom. Like it's like the star is pouring inside, or maybe the other way around, from the moon, and the abyss try to capture it. Those hand in the spear. Well, I wanna see this. I wanna see this really fast. But this was something different. I think they said something that they will release this in 1 point. I mean Luna 2, I believe. So I guess here it is. If this give reward, I mean Primogem, then I don't know what to do. Should I play this? I mean, not. Anyway, let's see what this is about. Besides this, Hoyo also made 2 other games recently. Just the one with look like Pokemon and the other one look like animal thing. I don't know what the other one is, but yeah, Petit Anima. I don't remember the title. And Honkai Nexus Anima. They making a lot of different genre of game. I don't know how they handle that.
ゲームの制作やプレイ、そして他の旅人さんとの交流が一体となった星々の元凶について詳しくご説明していきますね。
There's a lore behind this. What? This is so Hexen Zirco code. Oh, what is that? New menu. ですね、多分。はい。星々の元凶を作ったのはThey did say new area. This is new area. Look at this. The background there. I never seen that. Unless well, I haven't explored too much actually, so I don't know if this new area or not. このか
彼女は星々の元凶へとつなが
Who
る警官オーブを
are
ウェン
this?
ティに託し、私たちに渡
Oh,
して
is
くれ
there a
る
lore behind all of this?
魔人任務、干渉、
Is
配
that?
理をクリアするとより詳しく知ることが
It's
でき
gonna
ます
look
よ。
like what her name again from Star Rail? Jade. What do you think is Jade?
はい、ご安心ください。魔人任務の序章、風を捕まえる
Oh.
魔人をクリアすれば、原神を始め
Okay,
た
so you
ば
need
か
to
りの
clear this part of the quest to unlock
わ
the
かりやすく言うと、
the Wonderland.
話した後、祈願を初めて解放する時です。なので、あっという間に進められると思いますよ。
じゃあ原神を始めたばかりの方もすぐに星々の元凶で遊べるってことですか？
そうなんです。
So new player can go. Oh, after unlock wish.
星々の元凶を始めていきましょう。星々の元凶に入った後、
What
旅人さんは
is
自
this?
分の元凶道具
Who
を
are this guy?
探すことができます。
Does this character have a lore?
女の子でも好きな子を選んでくださいね。元凶ドールは星々の元凶の世界における旅人さんの意志の化身です。いつでも自由にその体
Okay.
験を変えら
You
れ
can
ますよ。
adjust them, so they probably have nothing to do with lore because
その通りなんです。
They
全
have
て自由に
different
カスタマイズできちゃい
customization.
ます。
じゃあ自分の好みできるじゃん。
そうなんですよ。髪色とかお顔のタイプとかいろいろ。
じゃあ待ってボンキュッポンとかリリの
ボンキュッポンはちょっと
わかんない
心の目が必要かもしれませんね。気になりますよね。そしてもう一つ重要な情報を公開します。元凶ドールを演じてくれるのはこちらの声優の方々です。
Say you.
松岡義
Matsuoka Yatsuku.
内田優馬さん
Uchida Yuma. Oh,
北川ひかるさんです
okay. And we have is that Kirito? Kirito and Uchida Yuma is Cafe. So Xiao Cafe and who is Midorikawa Hikaru and Genshin? I don't know.
そうまだいらっしゃいます
はい。
Okay. Look, who's the female one?
瀬いのりさん
Minase Inori.
ゆいさん
Oh. Eh? Are?
さこさんもお声を担当してらっしゃるんですか？
あれ
そうなんです。
Okay, so Nilo and Horeyui is Faruzan. Who's Minari Inori Minase again in Genshin? I don't remember.
組み合わせはちょっと今回セリフにはなかったですけど、
なるほど
はい。でも
Okay,
緑川さん以外はすでに本編で
I wonder if
本当キャラクター
Horeyui
であるおなじみの
will be
皆さん
sound like Faruzan or
はい
her other role.
あら
I like her role as Hanekawa Tsubasa from Monogatari series. I mean, she talk kinda different than Faruzan, so we'll see how.
こんにちは
Oh, example.
タイモンスタンバイできたよ
Who is this
いやもうかわいい
in Genshin?
いいですね。
よねでもやってあげたくなっちゃう
Inori
優しい
Minase.
可愛い
I know her, but I don't remember her role in other game or
この声だったら
anime, I guess.
起こしてほしいですね。
飽きるみたいな
Did they change the order?
水見よさそう
はい、こちら
Is
は
Sato become-
広瀬いのりさんのボイスとなっております。
素敵です
では続いて、
こんにちは旅人パイモンスタンバイ完了っと
Wait.
ちょっとセクシー
ちょっとお姉さん
Okay, okay.
先ほどの声
They know Paimon and Traveler. I mean the card is character. Dor. What is name? Doiru. Doru. Doru. I don't know how to read the katakana there.
いやなんか収録するときにこれくらいの年齢間でみたいなご指示はあった。
Let's see how Horayui
しながら撮らせていただきました。
sound like.
素晴らしい
ありがとうございます。では続いてはこちらです。
こんにちは旅人パイモンスタンバイ完了
Okay, okay. It doesn't sound like Faruzan. This is different.
かっこいい。
Let's see her role. It also doesn't look like Hanekawa Tsubasa as well. But that's fine.
ゆいさんも先輩なんだねやっぱり
What about the other, the male example voice?
もし一緒にいることがあったら一番頼りになりそうな
Kirito
雰囲気
and
でしたね。
Cafe.
悩みますよね。だってランダムに
Who else?
やるシステムじゃないので
Midorikawa. I don't know who's his role. I heard the name, but I don't remember his other role. But let's see. Okay, let's see.
こん
Masuk
にちは旅人
Yep.
パイモン
This is
スタンバイできたよ
yep, Kirito. Very Xiao.
高青年
いや本当に
Who else?
本当ね、なんだ白い T シャツ似合いそう
白い T シャツになんかデニムと
いや
か
そう絶対そのパターンだよ
シン
ね
プルが似合うっていう
そうだね
こちらは松岡義嗣さんでした。
なるほど
はい。では続いてはこちらです。
こんにちは旅人パイモンスタンバイ完了
おなんでしょう。
こちらですごいな
はい。爽やかだけどちょっとやんちゃみとか元気感感じました。
そうなんか
Okay.
可愛らしい感じ
Let's see. Maybe we know Midorikawa Hikaru after hearing his voice.
違いますね。
なんかすごい
どうしよう
なんだろうリンゴとか感じてる
Ringo?
素手で皮のままリンゴ
ガリってもう歯が白みたいな
白いのはもう伝わりますね。健康感がね。はい。こちらは内田悠馬さんが演じていらっしゃいます。では最後こちらお聞きしましょう。
こんにちは旅人パイモンスタンバイ完了
いや光はいい子や
I know that voice.
いや本当にやっぱ
はい。
なんだろうね今度一気に変わるっていう感じが
そうです
Who was
ね。
that?
なんか旅慣れた歴戦の
Interesting.
歴がある
急に
かっこいい。
大人みたいな
頼りがいのあるっていう。
本当にいやもうどの方も魅力的ですねこれ
本当にそうなんですよ。
うん
これで自分でドールをこう見た目も好みに、そしてボイスも好みに選んで、ぜひ旅を楽し
If
む。
I have to choose, I probably choose. I mean, of all these three, six,
声優さんのボイスを聞きながら
Via, the one that I know the most are Horeyui. So,
星々の元気への冒険はこの段階から始まっていると言っても
what is
いいんじゃ
that?
ない
Five
でしょうか。
star?
ちな
What
み
is
に
that?
カスタマイ
Who
ズ
is
した
that?
元凶ドールの姿は星々の元凶
I never
だけ
seen.
でなく、なんとテイワットを冒険している間も楽しむことがで
Okay,
きます。
Tanuki.
元
What
気
is
ドールに
this?
いろんな
You can actually enter Teyvat using this character or something? What is
ぜ
this?
ひいろいろなコーデで撮影してみてください。おしゃれアイテムは多種多様ですので、自分だけ
Oh,
の
so
好き
it's
なコーデを
outfit.
作り出すことができるは
Wait
ず
a
で
minute.
す。
The fact that they are star there.
いいですよ
Don't
ね。
tell me you should you pull them. I don't think anyone should pull. But I mean, I don't know.
できます。はい、おしゃれアイテムは自由に組み合わせることもできますし、
Ooh,
お
let's
すすめの
look
コ
like
ーデを
Fontaine
そのまま
design.
利用することも可能となっています。さ
Okay.
らにコーデ
Amamir.
完成後はアイコンのカスタム機能を
Oh,
使ってオ
okay.
リジ
You
ナル
can
の
have
アイコンを作
3D
ることもできますよ。
profile.
ちょっと待って
Interesting.
どうやったら
はい
こういったおしゃれアイテムって手に入るんですか
これ重要ですよね。
大事
獲得方法はたくさんあります。そうなんです。一つ目は勇気です。テイワットでの気候みたいなものですね。
あびっくりした勇気ってあっちの勇気かあ勇気ね
頑張るぞっていう
そうだ
勇気じゃなくて
勇気
遊ぶ
Okay, so you
印み
given-
たいな勇気となっております。
わかった
各任務をク
I
リアしていく
think
ことで
this is something
勇気
different.
レベルが上が
I
り
don't
おし
see
ゃ
a
れ
Primo
セッ
gem
トの
everywhere
報酬を
anywhere.
獲得できます。
Unless
全
those
体勇気を
crystal
解放
look
する
like.
とさらに多くのおしゃれアイテムや
Oh,
特
you
別
need
報
to
酬を
pick.
獲得できますよ。また勇気の登場に伴い、あるお得なシステムが導入
What
される
is
ことになりました。
I mean, I hope this have nothing to do with the actual Genshin content because I don't think I'm gonna play too much of this.
全開勇気を獲得できます。
じゃあなら逆に
はい。
星々の元凶で勇気を解放した場合は
はい
That's $5 in English.
飛行購入がお得になるってことですか
$15. What is it's kind of similar
詳細
to
については
monthly
公式情
and
報をご確認ください。
はい
おしゃれ
the
アイテムは勇気で獲
the
得できる
thing
だけでなく、
$15 bucks.
旅人さん
It's
ご自身で作ることも可能で
I
す。
know as a free to play, I
人活
don't
動で調
really
度品を作るのに
care about
材料と設計図が必要だったよう
outfit.
に、星々の元凶で
Oh,
おしゃれ
unless
ア
you
イテム
can
を作る
is it
際も
make
いくつ
you
か
can
道
make
具が
them,
必
but
要
that
にな
was
り
two
ます。
star.
そういえば
How the 5-star one?
裁縫道具みたいなのがあった気がするんですけど
そうなんで
Is
す。
what is that
それがま
currency?
さに制作に必要な
It
素
look
材なん
different.
です。
Is this a new game but inside
最後設計
Genshin?
図であるカタログは
or something.
通常請願導きの反響を引く
Ah, you can you pull them, but you need different currency. Maybe this currency only for pulling character for fashion, I guess,
いっぱいありますよね。
which I don't really care.
今から切り貼ってしか取れないじゃないですか。気になる。いやもう気になる。
登場が待ち遠しいよ。
あ、そういえば、
はい
先ほど通常請願とおっしゃってたんですけど、期間限定の請願もあるってことですか？
はい、そうなんです。
はい。
星々の元凶では様々な
Sphere
テーマをお
Heads and
楽しみい
Circle.
ただけるよう、バージョンごとに
Maybe
限定
Halloween
テーマ
theme.
のイベント請願をご用意して
This
おり
is
ます。
very Halloween. Okay,
ルナ2でのテーマは
the
天皇
timing.
の灯火です。
うんうん。
このテーマの期間中は、請願システムに限定アイテム
Okay,
マ
so
ジカルキャン
basically
ドルナイトが登場しま
this is
す。
different game entirely, just inside Genshin. Interesting.
はいはいはいはい。
I don't know if I will play this. I don't think if this has a story in sense. Do we have story inside this whole thing? Or just making like Roblox thing? Hmm. Yes, you can meet multiple player inside. I still don't know how this work. Genshin slash blah 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 Wonderland.
わあ、いいですね。マジカルキャンドルナイトの他にも、イベント請願では3種類のエピックセットが登場しますよ。
それぞれ特徴あってまあどれも素敵じゃないですか。
いいですよね。
うん
さらに星々の元凶で一定のレベルに達すると、フレンドとおしゃれなアイテムを送り合えるようになります。具体的には、ギフトモードで獲得したアイテムを、一定の絆レベルに達しているフレンドに送ることが可能です。おしゃれアイテムは、請願やギフトで入手する以外に、ショップで購入することもできます。さまざまなセットやアクセサリーが揃っていますので、ぜひ覗いてみてくださいね。本当にショッピングみたいでいいですよね。もちろんショップで購入したアイテムもフレンドに送ることができますよ。では次に、おしゃれアイテムなどを報酬として手に入れる方法をご紹介しましょう。まず星々の元凶にログインすると、期間限定でお試し利用できるおしゃれアイテムを4つ獲
I
得
hope
でき
there's
ま
no
す。
Primo Gem in this mode. I mean,
デザインですね。
because I don't think I have time to play. Okay,
制作シリーズに
none of this Primo
元
Gem.
凶声援目覚めの夜
Unless you can convert those crystal-looking thing into Primo Gem.
再現群賞と
Probably not.
水兵セーラー風のおしゃれアイテムを獲得できます。
This is just a new different game inside Genshin,
再現群
which
賞
is interesting.
になりますよね。
限定なんですか？
再現群賞とは、おしゃれカタログを交換できるアイテムのことです。
なるほど。交換できるの？
交換できるアイテムみたいですね。はい、交換に必要となる大事なアイテムらしいので、お目当てのおしゃれアイテムがある方はぜひ早い段階から貯めておいた方がいいみたいですよ。再現群賞は勇気の習慣経験値を貯めることで
What is this?
獲得で
Yes,
きます。
what is that?
ちょっと待って。じゃあ、
はい
毎週再現群賞もらえるってことですか？
その通りでございます。いいですよね。さらに星々の元凶のレベルを上げると、再現群賞だけでなく、ロビーテーマもゲットできます。いろんな入手方法がありますので、モチベーションも上げやすいのではないでしょうか。
なるほど。先ほどのハロウィン風のおしゃれアイテムだけじゃなくて、
はい、
配布のアイテムやロビーテーマも素敵だったよね。
そうですよね。なので気になった
I think the
方は
Genshin content was end. I mean, this is a different thing. So basically the only one Layla event and the other two was in Natlan, music and also Sorian. Only 3 events,
ハロウィンっぽくて
which means the Layla event are really kinda up. I think it's probably longer than usual.
さて先ほどテイワットでドールの
Wait,
見せ会
wait.
や撮影ができるとお話ししましたが、なんと
You can
ゲ
show
ーム
with.
に編成して一緒に冒険までできちゃうん
Wait a
で
minute.
す。
What is this?
ゴールは旅人さんの意思の化身ということでしたが、それなら元素も旅人さんと同
Wait.
じものを操るのでしょうか。
Basically,
その通りなんです。
you can play as
テイワ
them.
ットにおけるドールのレベルは、
What about?
星々の元凶における旅人さんの元凶レベルと紐づい
What
ていま
about?
す。
No.
ドール
Is
のレ
this
ベルアップ
count
に
as the
使用する
traveler
必要はありません。
or what?
さらにテイワットのキャラクターと同じように突破すると出会いの絵にしを獲得できます。
なるほど。
Yes, I mean one extra character, but what about the skill and what?
縁故だったんですよ。
Is this the traveler we all been waiting for? The one will be super OP or something? I don't think so.
これももちろん人生の出会いの絵に
絵にし
し。
ですよね。だから大好き絵にし。
まさかのエピソードが。私もいつも出会いの絵にしを探しながら人生を
そうだよね。
歩いている旅人でございます。
そうしようそうしよう。
ではその情報じゃなくて、ここでとっておきの情報を一つ。ドールが元素スキルまたは元素爆発を発動すると、
Okay,
事前に設
they
定
have
した
their
コーデに
own.
切り替わるんです。もちろん星々の元凶
What
でも
is
お気
that?
に入りの衣装を着せていろんなゲ
I
ームを楽しむ
Okay,
こと
still
もでき
confusing.
ます。
Maybe I will check in game. Man, it's up
こ
actually.
ちらはですね、今ご覧いただいているのがロビーという場所で、世界各地から来たドールたちが集まり、
It's more than
開演を
4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
ラン
6.
ダムでいずれかのオープンロビーに入り、いろんなドールと出会うことができます。で
A lobby?
すよね。
What is this?
そういう雰囲気になるロビーも出てくると思いますよ。うん。
え、ちなみに個人のロビーも作れたりするんですか？
はい、そうなんです。元凶レベルが一定
Isn't
にな
this
ると、
a
プライベ
Roblox?
ートロビーを作れるようになり
So
ます。
you
イン
create
テリア
the
や
thing,
BGM が
yeah.
自由に決められて、フレンドも招待できます。
いや、ちょっとみんなでワイワイ楽しみたい方も
I'm too
ちょっと静かに
busy to do something like
自分に
this.
合った楽しみ方を見つけられそうですね。
そうですね。
私はもう絶対ワイワイイエイイエイみたいな。
じゃあみんなで集まれるオープンロビーがいいかもですね。私結構
I think this is good for live streaming,
読んでたいタイプ
like
時もあるので
inviting a multiple,
プライベートロビーで引きこもって
you know,
オープンに行きましょうよ。
viewer, not
好き
viewer.
な方を選んで楽しんで
What do you
く
call
だ
them?
さい。そして人気の元凶ではお好きなステージを選んでプレイ
Yep.
できます。
Something like this.
は
I,
シミュレーションパーティーゲーム
okay, different game, you know this.
ステージ型のゲーム
The only one I interest in probably MOBA, since I play MOBA before.
コンテンツを全部遊べるんです
They would be
はい、その通
the
り
one
です。
where if I have to choose which one I will try, probably if someone create a MOBA.
自分のスタイルでお楽しみいただけます。
なるほど。
ステージを作るクリエイター側の視点で言うと、PVP や競争型ゲーム、サバイバル形式のゲームなど、一部のステージにはアチーブメント、ランクシステム、
As long as this separate from the actual Genshin,
こち
I'm
らもプレイヤ
I
ーの
don't
モチベー
really
ションアップにつながるはず
mind.
です。
気に入った元凶があったらぜひおすすめボタンをポチポチポチチと押したりコメントを残したりしてみてくださいね。はい、きっとクリエイターの励みになると
This
思い
is
ますの
a
で
new
皆さんよろしく
different game.
お願いします。
Just using
いろいろご紹介してきましたが、
Genshin
皆さん
asset.
も自分で元凶を作ってみたくなったのではないでしょうか。早くやりたいですよね。星々の元凶におい
Oof,
て
this is too much, too big brain. This is too much big brain. I don't
ここでは
I don't have the ability nor time to do all of this.
5年間にわたって
Okay, layering and
ゲームプレイ
okay, combat mode.
自由に使用できるみたいですね。
Wow, this is
フィールドやオブジェクトのデザイン、
big
配置は
brain.
もちろんいろんな機能を組み合わせて新たなコンテンツを生み出すことも可能です。そして
What?
バージョン
What?
アップとともに
Is that
クリエイターさんが利用できる
twin-handed?
リソースはどんどん
What is
豊
that?
富になっていきます。
いや、いろんなリソースが使える
Is
から
that hint for character? I mean, I don't think
そうね
different weapon type, but character that use
ソースは何
both
ソース
weapon, like
言いますと、そうですね。
like her.
確かにどのソースをつけるかで
What her name again?
仲良くなった どここはリソースを使っていきましょう。
Child Master again. Skirk, yes,
コン
Skirk.
ポーネントとモジュ
I
ー
mean,
ルを
child
編集
also
して
used the weapon
それらの
technically.
モードをつなげるだけで元凶
Three
ステージが
even.
完成します。
Double
ステー
twin
ジの
blade
タイプや
and
ゲームモードなどは柔
bow.
軟に設定でき、プ
What
ログラミング
is
の知
it?
識
The
や経験
progress?
が
This
な
is
くてもステージを作れ
this
ち
is
ゃい
big
ます。
brain mode.
積み木と似てる
Not for me.
おー
必要パーツを揃えて組み合わせればいいわけだから、
うんうん。
プログラミングがわからなくても
Okay.
ステージを作れるっていうのは嬉しいですよね。
はい。
ミト君ちょっと難しそうだけど。
Is this?
あ、そう
I
です
heard
ね。
something about they get
原
paid
神の膨大な素材とか
when they create
使い
something like
方
this,
エディターの
which
様
is
々な
good, I
機能に
guess, for
覚
those
えると
people
なるとそれなり
who
の時間
have
がかかる
creativity.
かもしれません。
うんうん。
でも
Not
心
me
配
though.
はいりません。
心配ないさーなんですか。
ナイスさでございます。
すごい。
エディターには
うん。
基本的な機能が備わったテンプレートが用意されており、初心者の方でもスムーズにスタートを切ることができます。はい、構想の参考としてぜひご活用ください。
なるほど。それなら初心者の方も心配ないさーですね。
心配なんてないさです。クリエイターの皆さんが想像力を存分に発揮し、創作に取り組めるよう様々なサポートが用意されています。
何サポートというと？
はい、サポートと言いますと、
はい
クリエイターフォーラムでは、
うん
他のクリエイターたちとの交流を通して、
うん
ノウハウを共有することができます。
Too big brain, too big
いろんな
brain.
インスピレーションが得られるってことですか？
そうですね。またクリエイターレベルを上げると、
うん
より多くのエディター機能が開放されていきます。さらに今後ハイクオリティな元凶をより多くの旅人さんに見てもらえるようにする仕組みも導入されます。
つまりクオリティの高いステージほどより
I'm more interested in the symbol. That red one, level 5,
そういうことです。
kind of
自分
similar
が
to
作った
something in the
元凶を
game.
たくさんの旅人さ
Even
んに
level 4
遊んで
there.
もらえると思うとなんだかワクワクしてき
Star
ますよ
and
ね。
something hovering.
いっぱいあります。
Star is like cosmic.
の予告番組でクリエイター向けの
Luna 4?
話がありましたが、早速ルナ2から星々の元凶ひらめき応援プログラムという形でスタートします。クリエイターの皆さんには自作の元凶プレイデータに応じて収益を得ることができます。
はい、元凶の人気が高いほどより多くの収益を得られるってことですか？
その通りです。ひら
Hmm.
めき応援プログラムは長期運営のプログラムで元凶の人気が長く続けば長期的で、いやいやもうちょっとモラが安定したモラが収益が得られるんです。はい、もうちょっとどうに聞いたら本当にもうモラがで目の色が変わっちゃいます。はい、さらにですね、ルナ4では新たな収益制度星々の元凶アイデア発掘プログラムが導入される予定です。こちらは元凶内により魅
Yeah,
力的
good
な
luck for those who love building stuff.
分配を得られる仕組みになっています。
Show your
多くのプレイ
creativity.
ヤーを魅了する元凶を作れば、それに応じた報酬がもらえるってことですね。
I don't know what he's saying. Keep talking about Mora. What does that mean by Mora?
じゃないでしょうか。
なりますよね。そしてすでにクリエイターさんとして旅を始めている方々がいます。それではこちらの動画をどう
What?
ぞ
Reward?
どうぞ。
Imagine if something like this shows up in Genshin Impact's Malastra Wonderland.
Oh yeah, Milastra Wonderland. That's the name. This is
That looks so lit.
¿Qué tal si ponemos otra trampa aquí?
Tú eres muy malo, ¿eh?
いろんな動作があるんだ。
too big brain.
スキルにどれを使おうかな。
You didn't set a win condition, did you?
Use your eyes. When the timer runs out, the players respawn in the middle. Stop doubting me.
An dieser Stelle sollte ein weiterer Kletterpunkt sein.
Pour finir, on connecte aux joueurs concernés. Et voilà, le nœud de sélection de classe est en place.
강화콩 리자랑률을 더 올려야겠네. 지금은 캐릭터가 너무 약해. 최초적을 떨쳐낼 수가 없네.
哎，好了，找到节点图了。可是
The Ganyu
怎么设置植物的
statue in the
生长条
background.
件啊？
And
Speaking
also
of, shouldn't
Koliamber.
we be doing the test run now?
This is too much. Oh, there's so many different things. Okay.
feels so awesome to set the rules of a world. So guys, what was your motivation for getting into game dev?
I love meeting new people. It connects me with other equally interesting people.
Somebody curb his arrogance. Parce que je ne veux pas me contenter de créer des jeux imaginés par d'autres.
这是我最爱的游戏，我想在当一个旅行者之外，做点不一样的事。
Denn der Editor erlaubt mir das zu tun, was ich am besten
Not for me.
ルールを作りたい。
I don't have
모두가
time.
즐길 수 있도록 하려고요.
En mi caso es porque tengo un montón de ideas interesantes.
Y es genial poder hacerlas realidad y compartirlas.
Who knows? There might be pleasant surprises along the way.
I mean, this is basically Roblox. And I never play Roblox. So, I don't know. Maybe whoever create this will get recruited as a development team later in the future. Who knows? Outside it is growing dark. That's so weird wording. Miliastra Wonderland. I hope. I don't think so. So since this is inside Genshin, which mean when they're gonna update this Miliastra Wonderland, they will probably add it in the Genshin live stream, which make the live stream longer. Which I don't know about that. I wasn't sure about that. They should make separate live stream for this content specifically. Like, I mean, maybe because people who play Genshin will have different interests than people who wanna try this Miliastra Wonderland. Because I'm not interested in Roblox kind of game. But we'll see if it actually. But I will try it, I guess, but not making. Maybe try whoever people made the world gonna try it. Where's the optimization? That's something I'm waiting. There's no optimization? Should I check the web? Owari? Okay, the event was really only 3 events. That's new. Usually, well, Star Rail was usually the one with only less event when Genshin, and Zen Zero was the one with multiple event, but I guess this time the event become cut. Unless the reward was exactly the same, we'll see. I hope more, actually. Did we get new map, by the way? I don't know. Yeah, they never talk about new map. Unless I don't understand Japanese and they talk about it in English. But I don't know. I think we will check the English Vivi for now after this, just to see again what happened in the actual story in Luna 2. Your voice.
本当ですか？だってさ、はい。なんか難しい言葉多いしさ。そうなんですよ。なんか本当に私帰国子女ってふりしてるぐらい日本語得意じゃないの。帰国子女っていうふりをしてるぐらい本当日本語そもそもがそんな得意じゃないのにこんなさもう大役だし漢字だらけのカタカナいっぱいだし私本当にねなんかなるべくカタカナ使わないように生きてるのよ。そうなんですね。タオルって言わないで手ぬぐいって言ったりさハンガーって言わないでエモかけとか言ったりさ。
The reason Dori VA, I mean Nilo was invited here because I guess she wants of the VA for Miliastra Wonderland. The fuck Bloom team also resurgent. I mean the Bloom was good anyway, but yeah. And meanwhile Doris VA was invited here as the MC because of her performance during. I mean Dori VA performance as Dori was kind of different than the other VA, like the way she talk is very interesting.
なんか本当にいつも自由にのびのびとやらせていただいて、なんか本当に一応やるだけやって、やってみるみたいな感じでやらせていただいてて、だからね本当になんか私今回もそうなんだけど、やろうと思ってやってるわけじゃなくて、急になんかやってたりするの。
降りてくるなんかその場で
降りてくるいや降りてくるみたいな、そうじゃないけど、なんか素晴らしいものでもないんだけど。
じゃあ考えてるんじゃなくて、
考えてないです。感じてる
のアドリブ感じてる。
何にも書いてないから。
そうなんですね。すごい。
だからもう一回やってくださいって言われても、あれどんな風に私やりましたみたいな感じで、なんかもう一回聞かせていただいて、あこんな風にやってたのみたいな。
自分こんなこと言ってたんだって。
でも記憶にないんですみたいな感じで。そうだからそういう感じで。
I don't know what they're talking about, by the way.
皆さんに感謝しながら、スタッフさんがとても優しくってありがたい現場なんですけど、ただですね、この度ルナ2ではね、なんといつもと違うドリーちゃんが
違うドリーちゃん。
もうなんかちょっといいシーンがあったり。
そうなんですね。
いつもと違う
Different
ド
Dory?
リーちゃんが見られるので。
What do you mean?
そうですよ、楽しみじゃん。私もみたいな感じも。
What?
ドリーちゃんみたいな。
ちょっとストーリー読んで、
なんかそうだったんだみたいな感じで。
どうなんだろう。
いつも違う私が見られる。いや私じゃないドリーちゃんが見られるかと思います。お願いします。
ぜひ
ぜひとも楽しみにしてくだ
皆
さい。
さん楽しみにしていていただきたいと思います。
ということで、原神ルナ2予告番組は以上となります。旅人の皆さん、最後までお付き合いいただきありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。
帰るまでが遠足です。あ、もう帰ってるか。
いや、皆さんはこの予告番組という素晴らしい旅から帰るとこです。
はい、よろしく
お気をつけて。
お気をつけて。それではさようなら。
Bye bye. Okay, so so how many days that? 2 weeks for the Layla event. Oops. That's it. Can we start again? That's not what I mean. Okay, let's check once again. I should upload it right now. 3 minutes. Maybe I should use the English one so I understand what's happening. Here's the thing: when I understand what they said, usually I got spoiled about what's gonna happen. There's the reason why I also choose a Japanese live stream. But I wanna know. I really wanna know. So before we end the video, let's check this English one first. After that, let's summarize about the whole live stream. But first, let's check not this. Three minutes and blah blah blah. Let's see an English word. Maybe I understand something. Since this video, let's turn the quality to maximum.
From the moment I was born.
Okay, never mind. It's still loading.
The world itself has been steadily sapping away at my strength.
Your power getting. Yeah, what is that? Iridescent. Yes, exactly what I said. This is Iridescent Moon, the Scarlet Moon.
We finally got a clear look at his face and learned his true identity.
Who?
I
Rainier?
wanted to kill him. He would
Him?
never suspect.
Who is this?
Visionary?
Visionary. Visionary. This is the one of the sinner. Okay.
I did indeed lose my power to see the future, right
Who is this voice? Is this Rerir? I don't know, the English voice was Rerir, so... Yep, I understand that part.
I can barely sense any Kuvaki at all. This whole air...
I don't know who is this voice because I speak in English, I mean in Japanese. Maybe, wait a minute, can I just... choose English, is it Japanese, but does it has, you know... Oh yes, you have caption. Yeah, this is better. Let's just use the English caption. This is Columbina. Yep, she said that before. Yep, this is Arlequin, no important, thing, maybe, hopefully. Who are these people? These look like Enconomia people. Wait a minute. Those chess piece, is that representing the sinner? Let's see again. There are 5 of them. Are they representing all the sinner? We saw a wolf. It looked like something else. It's a sword in the middle, and then it's probably Rerir. The one look like a face. Maybe, I don't know. Is this Rerir? I don't think Rerir is visionary. We know what's going on. Paimon. Who is this? Oh, this is Laoma. Ooh, Farka, yes. All faction and not cry. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. Yep. Various Sumerian song, I mean Arabian, Middle Eastern, I don't know what to call that. But this part is actually event. Oh, rescue Layla. Okay. How many okay. This, wait a minute. Yep, this is the Hermanubis thing. This the King Distress, the thing. I don't remember what they called. Not high priest. I don't know. Wait, this event probably important to Kim's lore. I guess I will try to record this as well. Who is that? It's like wealth, but I don't think that's wealth. Is this event? But why Yehoda and Laoma in here as well? Mr. Rachel, yeah. Rerir. 24 hours in the world has ever seen. Oh, Rise. Okay. Arlecchino, let's see what you're gonna do. Who is that? Oh, Rerir. Oh, okay. That makes sense. If Dan live here because Rerir show up, we will see. Actually, this is interesting. Our king was such a proud solemn man in those days. Who is this? The actual king? Oh. Excuse me. Yeah. Is this the king in Kandraya? I don't. Or eternity. Wait, who is that? The three character? Yes. This look like, yeah, this is the King Distress thing. It's finally he become important again. I mean, King Distress is kinda mysterious in a sense during Sumeru World Quest, but all the lore of him was very interesting. What is his other name again? I forgot. Anyway, yeah. Eternity. Raiden so good. Ooh, look at that. That's the moon. The abyss trying to catch the moon. Are they really a weekly boss? Ooh. Oh. Okay, what's the now? I can distract him. Okay, what's going on? Will Arlecchino show up after this scene? Because remember when she said about Arlecchino playing game appear in the behind something. I don't remember, but yeah, Arlecchino gonna help Columbina here, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, that's it. But yeah, I actually understand. Anyway, that's all. Overall, I can't wait for the Luna 2, the story obviously. But the content in Luna 2, the one I interested in probably Layla event. The other two event was sure, I guess. Since the only two the event, I wonder how many, because as you know right now, maybe you also seen my other gameplay too, especially Hoyo game. I always check how much I earn each patch and record it. Let's see how much in Luna 2 I got compared to Luna 1. I mean, Luna 1 has extra 20 pull, I guess, but we will see. But anyway, the other thing, Miliastra Wonderland, I wasn't sure. I mean, I don't know. If I have time, I will check it out. If not, then it's whatever, I guess. Since technically it's for different people, demographic, like people who like building and thing, I guess. Other than that, what else? I don't see any optimization. Maybe it's not really that big that they only show it in Hoyo Lab, for example, but we will see. Anyway, that's all about live reaction to Luna 2, patch Luna 2 in Genshin Impact. Yeah, I guess I rearrange the title a bit there. Anyway, see you in Luna 2 during I don't know if I'm gonna do the other character quest first before Luna 2 start. We'll see. Anyway, this is our room and Johnny. Bye.